Hello everybody. In this video we are going to talk about measurement again, and topic is significant figure. Measurements are always given correct to certain number of significant figure. To determine the number of significant figure in a measurement, the following rule may be useful. Now in small number and big number we have many digits, so how can we write in significant figure? We are going to deal with this topic. All non-zero digits 1 up to 9 are significant. For example, 5.23 centimeter has 3 significant figure. All zeros between non-zero digits are also significant. For example, here 4.002 has 4 significant figure because the zeros between non-zero digits are also significant. All zeros to right decimal point and the following non-zero digits are also significant. For example, 62.00 has 4 significant figure again. But a zero before decimal point and zeros after decimal point but before non-zero digits are not significant. Example 0.2, 0.005, 0.000004 has just one significant figure. When do we use significant figure? We use significant figure in big and small number. When do we use big number? When we deal with the question which is related to universe itself, or if it is a question about the atom or electrons or protons, we are going to deal with very big or very small numbers. For example, 10 to 9 while dealing with the power gigabyte express gigabyte 10 to 9, or again while dealing with power 10 to 6 express megabyte, and while measuring length 10 to 3 express kilometer, 1 out of 10 or 1 out of 100, 1 out of 1000, 1 out of 1 million express and digits. So power of 10 shows very big and very small numbers. If number is very big, 10 to plus digit, or number is very small, 10 to minus digit express itself. So how can we write very big and very small number in scientific notation? Scientific notation is a short way to writing or expressing very large or very small number using power of 10. And we may have any number, we want to write it in scientific notation. We are going to write it in this notation, in this form. Here, m must be positive number. It can be equal 1 or bigger than 1, and it must be smaller than 10. So here m is a positive number, it's not integer, so that n can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, or it can be 3.2, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6.5, and etc. And here the power of n must be integer, but it can be positive or negative. So, determination of arithmetic sign of n, let us continue. The arithmetic sign of n is determined by using any of the following simple rule. First, the direction of the movement of the decimal point, and second, the value of the number given. So how can we write in scientific notation? We can make some more example. For example, let us write this very big and very small number in scientific notation. And as you remember, scientific notation must be m times 10 to power n form, and as you remember, m can be equal 1 or bigger than 1, but must be smaller than 10, and n is integer. Let us write. Here we have 2 and 5. We can't write 25 because 25 can't fix here. We can write it 2.5. 2.5 is bigger than 1 and smaller than 10 is possible, times 10 to n. N must be integer, so that 2.5 times 10 to n, let us count 1, 0, 2, 3, and we are going to put decimal point between 2 and the 5, so that we are going to shift 4 column, so that 2.5 times 10 to 4 equal to 25,000. So it is easy way to write 25,000, 2.5 times 10 to 4. And we have very small number here, 0.000024. How can we write it? It must be again between m times 10 to n form, and n must be bigger than 1 and smaller than 10. And here is, we have 24. And if you put decimal point between 2 and the 4, it is going to be fixed between 1 and the 10 times 10 to n. N must be integer. Again, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that 2.4 times 10 to minus 5. Let us look at the third example. 250 times 4, it makes 1000, and we can't write 10 because m must be smaller than 10, so we can write it as a 1 times 10 to 3. This one is easy way to write 1000. 1 out of 4 times 1200 means 300, so we can write it 3 times 10 to 2. So these are easy way to write very big and very small numbers. Now thank you for watching us. We will continue measurement topic with new video.